In this video I'm going to show you the solenoid replacement in a Honda Fourtrax. This is a 300 4x4, but this should work for about 1988 to 2000 Honda four-wheelers. First thing you're going to do is remove the seat and remove the battery. Well, the solenoid is right here, and you're going to want to unplug it from this harness to get that wire loose. You can go ahead and lift the solenoid straight up out of its holder. Solenoid out of your box. I'm using the 1PZ products. Fairly good quality, cheap products. And look at the cable. Look at the ends. Make sure that it's the same type of plug. Make sure the solenoid looks the same. I'm just making sure that the correct product was sent to you or that you ordered the correct product. Do one cable at a time. So generally, now that you've got kind of everything out of your way, I'm going to go ahead and take this cable off first and attach it to this post. And what I'm using for that is a 10mm socket. Now once that post has been changed out, go ahead and change out this cable here to this side. This is the one that's going down to your starter. Now once you have the two cables reassembled to the posts, go ahead and slide over the protective covers over top of the terminals. Now this original solenoid has a rubber boot around it. If you see these two slots, they slide onto some metal tabs. But if you take a look at this new design, it's all plastic housing with the built-in slots. And these are just going to slide right over those metal tabs. Then you're going to run your wire underneath the solenoid, bring it back up to the wire bracket, reconnect the wire, and then reinstall your wire harness bracket. Then go ahead and reinstall your battery and connect your positive cable first, and reinstall the protective cover. And last, go ahead and reconnect your negative battery